Hi everyone, this is Mr. Jia here. I'm a little bit under the weather today, so I'll be coughing. Hopefully that doesn't affect my screencast. So I just want to go over exactly what we're expected to do for each unit and for each lesson. All right. For each unit, there is a unit test and there's also a summative assignment, summative project, I would say, that will finish up the unit. And then for each unit, there's 2 to 4 lessons. Usually each lesson will have a quiz. For some lessons, there will be 2 lessons per quiz. But for each lesson, you need to do 2 things in order to do the quiz well. All right. First thing you need to do is you need to open up the book sign for each lesson. All right. So lesson one, unit one, lesson one. 他从香港来. You need to open this up. Click on it, open it up, and you need to read this. This tells you the lesson focus, what we're going to be doing in the lesson. You need to read this. If you don't read this, you're going to be in trouble for the quiz. All right. I had a student ask me, "Oh, I opened up the quiz, but none of the questions I've read about." Well, it's because you didn't read. You need to read. All right. Second thing you need to read is the textbook. So for each one, located for each lesson, that's located right after the lesson focus. All right. So for again, I'm gonna go to unit one, lesson one. The textbook will be in this blue folder type of thing. You need to click on it and it will download immediately. Sorry, actually it won't. You have to click on it again to download it. All right. Questions will come from the textbook. If you don't read the textbook or the assigned text pages or the articles, you're not going to do the quiz well. All right. Another thing I want to mention is one student asked me, where is the listening file for the listening quizzes, and it's right here. Listen to this, do the quiz. Click on this to listen, do the quiz, all right? Again, you need to read my instructions, and then they're actually right here, so I don't know why I'm getting all these kind of questions. It's as straightforward as it gets. For each lesson, you do read this first, read the textbook, answer the discussion question that's also located in here as well. All right, and then download this, do the new characters, submit it here. All right, do the listening practice, do the listening quiz, oral story. Jesse Chan from Drumheller, your oral story was not submitted properly. You submitted a photo. I don't know why that's the case. It needs to be a sound file. All right. There's another thing you can do to make this easier, and I did not add it here, but for later lessons, I was taught there's another a way easier way to submit a sound file, and that's called iMoodle. So you just click add submission here and say allow. I'm using my MacBook, so it's a bit different. And then for here, just click record. Record yourself, and then it will be done. That's it. That's simple. All right. And you don't even need to record yourself on an MP3. All right. If there's any problems, please ask me. I'll be available. All right, through my email. Also, they added a teacher contact page, so this is my email address. All right, because I'm now with Red Deer Public Schools District, and I'm not no longer with Golden Hills. All right. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying the course so far, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye bye.